guys, welcome back to another Whatnot Winnings video. This video though will probably go up before the other Whatnot Winnings video that we did. This is just 2 items, so this is honestly going to be a super quick video. One of these items right here is from Yinzer Picker. The other one I'm not 100% sure who it's from. I think this is a shirt though that I won in a giveaway on somebody's site. So let's open up John's package because I honestly don't remember what I ordered. Now my phone's vibrating. I think I finally sold an eBay item after having 3 days of no sales. Yep, I sold a golf bag, which you'll find out in another What Sold video, and it's going all the way to Arizona, which is great because Pittsburgh to Arizona's pretty far. So, but luckily it's going to go UPS or FedEx. I'm not 100% sure yet. So, but here's John. This he always sends he always packages the stuff up nicely. And this was the first time he did not include any stickers. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. There's this business card. Go give him a follow on Whatnot, YouTube, and eBay. So a couple of the freebies that he threw in. One is Nick Salak from Texas. I think that's his rookie. That's his rookie. So that's a freebie he threw in. Nico Horner. These are from Top Gypsy Queen 2020. So that's his rookie. And then also a Dustin May rookie from the Dodgers. So super cool. But the 2 cards that I actually purchased from John, because we are Pirate fans, I know. First thing was a Wheel of Fortune Bryce Harper Blue from Gypsy Queen, number 22 out of 250, which it's numbered down at the bottom above Wheel. Let's see if I can get the focus. I don't know, I think you can see it. And that's the back of the card, kind of like a playing card. But then also was a Key Brian Hayes from the Pirates. This is his rookie card right here out of Gypsy Queen. So super cool. Happy with those. That's a Key Brian Hayes I don't have. I am trying to collect some of his stuff, so if you guys happen to see any Key Brian Hayes cards out there while you guys are sourcing, let me know. I might pick them up from you guys. Now onto this cool package. Nice. Thank you. Happy. Oh, it is from Miss Mojo. Miss Mojo. There you go, right there. So this is a shirt that I won in one of her Whatnot auctions as a freebie. It's a giveaway. Super cool. I was in there just trying to find some good deals, and I happened to win a giveaway. So now I'm trying to open it up without cutting myself. So I don't think the shirt's gonna fit me. There's nothing else in the package. Oh yeah. So there's an Upper Deck sticker from 1995. Not sure what that is. Looks like a plane with the rising sun. I don't know if that's her logo or not. Super cool. And she also included a Pog from 1994 McDonald's, Southern California. Right there. That's actually kind of cool. Man, I might actually have to go order some more stuff off of her. 2 super cool items, but here is the shirt. It is a Slipknot shirt. Vintage, I think it's vintage. 2013. This shirt actually does sell really well. It's kind of a cool Slipknot shirt right here. The back has this piece on it here. You can see it is a size. Really good question, because I don't see any tags. No tags, guys. Man, I don't like when shirts have no tags. I think it's probably close to an extra large, so really cool shirt. I guess I'll be putting this one up with measurements, or I'll include it in one of our mystery boxes, which we have some mystery boxes on Poshmark. I'll include a description, a link down below to our mystery boxes. If you're interested in some vintage clothing mystery boxes, we do have them listed on Poshmark. I think they even might be listed on eBay too, so you can check our eBay store down below. But yeah, super cool shirt. Maybe we'll even give this away or something. So I told you guys it was going to be a quick video, and we're probably at almost 5.5 minutes. So it's good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little What Sold Winnings video. There's a link down below if you want to go join Whatnot. You'll get $10 when you make your first purchase. So really cool there. And stay tuned for some more videos. And remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.